Forklift spot warning lights. In front of or behind the forklift, a blue spot light is projected to remind pedestrians that the forklift is approaching. Please stay away from it. Forklift zone warning light. On the ground on both sides of the forklift, a blue or red line is projected, forming a clear boundary. It reminds other people not to cross the line. Audible and visual warning light. The audible and visual warning light combines flashing light and alarm sound. This is a more direct way of alerting personnel to forklifts. This is particularly useful in noisy environments or situations where immediate alertness is required. Forklift warning lights are a safety device used to alert personnel to the presence and operation of forklift. It can help reduce the risk of potential accidents and keeping the workplace safe.